Everybody, so I am coming at you today to do an unboxing, but it is not for Mary Kay. It is for a boutique that I have absolutely fallen in love with, and the name of it is Vivi Boutique. I have purchased recently from them, like every piece I get, I absolutely love, and I have to say that I just love the customer service. As somebody that's in the customer service industry, I love it when I get little notes or little extras, and she really takes the time to get to know you as her customer, and she definitely goes the extra mile to make you feel really extra special. I've also purchased enough from her now that she knows my style, and she also knows, you know, like my size and helps me that way as well. I just cannot say enough about it. So I thought it would be really fun today to do an unboxing because I purchased something that's called an ultimate grab bag. I did the winter ultimate grab bag, and then she offered another one that's more of a spring ultimate grab bag, and obviously I jumped on it. And so I have it right here, and y'all, you don't know how hard it is for me not to just like tear into this because I'm like a kid. This is my LOL doll right now. So I have held off though, and I haven't opened it. I have no idea what's in there other than one piece that I did personally order, and she just included it in there. And so I'm gonna go through it with you all. And I just wanted to showcase this boutique because, again, I am in a small business. I grew up with a family that owned a small business, and I like to support sister or brother small businesses. And by no means am I affiliated with this boutique. I'm not getting paid or anything like that. It really just is me saying, hey, this is, I think, a really great place to shop, and maybe you want to shop there as well. You can use a code today, Sunshine15. I will post it below, and you can get 15% off your first order. So if you're liking what you see here, or if you go to vvboutique.com and check it out and you're like, oh, I do like some of these pieces, you can use the code Sunshine15 and you can get 15% off your entire order, which is super exciting. She ships to Canada. I know I have a lot of friends watching who are in Canada, and she does ship in the US as well. Free shipping in the US over $75. When you purchase $75, she'll ship for free in the US. I also really like her because she has such an assortment of styles and sizes, which I just think sometimes you go to boutiques and it's like, ugh, like they don't have a whole lot of assortment. So I am really impressed with that, and I know some of my friends have been as well. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm literally gonna tear into this. I'm standing back because if I wanna like throw something on, maybe I will, and I will be honest. So I'm gonna open this up and give you my honest opinion. If any of you know me, my friends will tell you sometimes I'm honest to a fault. Just ask like one of my best friends, Kim. We went clothes shopping once, and she came out and I was like, oh my God, the pants are darling, but the top needs to go. It's super ugly. And she was like, Lauren, that's the top I was wearing. So I was like, oh my gosh, I feel so, like I felt bad, but I was like, oh God, that's me for you. So I will be really honest. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I have my handy dandy scissors, and I'm gonna tear into this. Okay, so the first piece I have right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's just like Christmas. Oh, she included this. So a while ago, I actually won this random like share it on Facebook, tell all your friends sort of thing. And I won a top of the month is what it's called. So she's actually sending me a top every month for the next year. I won that just for sharing. She does all kinds of really fun stuff like that. So you definitely want to go like her on Facebook as well, and she's got like a VIP group. And so you could win something like this. And I didn't do anything other than like share the post and like it. So I forgot about this, to be honest. So it says, congrats on your top of the month. I hope you love it, XO. And she's got like this really cute card, which, you know, I love that type of stuff. Okay, so I'm super excited. I forgot about this. Oh, you guys, look at it. It's so pretty. It's kind of a terracotta color and the leopard print right there. Oh yeah, this is something I would definitely wear like all the time. I'm so obsessed with leopard print. I once had a man tell me he doesn't trust a woman in leopard print. Oh, like that's, what kind of life do you have, buddy? Okay, so here it is. And I'm a medium, so that's what I'm wearing. And I love it. I totally love it. It's not like too much. It's just enough little detail, and it's really comfortable. And it's a little stretchy. So yeah, and I have a tank under this. I normally wouldn't. I just like wear it. And so yeah, I really like this. Here's the length on this one. You can see that this is a bit longer, so I like this. There's like a 25% chance I'm just gonna leave this on for the day today. So that was just totally random. I forgot about that, and I really like it. So, woo, we're good. Okay, I'm gonna open this next because it looks like the piece that I actually ordered. And okay, so I kind of went on a limb like this. I am so not trying this on because I probably will wreck it. It looked beautiful on the model, and they're so in right now. And so I was like, I'm gonna give this a try. It is like, I don't even know what to call it. I don't own the boutique or anything. It's like a romper, right? It's like the romper, but it has the shorts underneath it, and then it's open. So it's like a dress, but it's not because it has the shorts underneath, and it looks like this, and it's open in the back. And you guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. You have to go to the go to vv.com, vvboutique.com, and look at the picture of this because it is fantastic. And I've seen so many people wearing these. I know these are very in right now, and especially this coming season, they're going to be like even hotter, and they look beautiful in them. They're fantastic for just like, you know, like a date night or a wedding, like a casual summer wedding, or I feel like this one would be great for the 4th of July. I went with it. I'm going to try it. Hopefully it looks good on me and I do it justice. I might not. I know that I automatically love navy because it's such a neutral color and it's a very slimming color, and nautical stripes are in and vertical stripes are life. I will look 6 foot and 20 pounds lighter in this, which I will go for anytime. It's like a magic fix, right? This is going to make you look really long and lean. So that's part of the reason I did give it a try, because I was like, maybe I can do it. I ordered this myself, so I'm not trying it on. Like I said, I don't want to like wreck it for anybody. So these grab bags that I'm talking about, she offers them in $50, $75, or $100, and each bag is stuffed full of things. Like, so the $100 one is totally the one that I got, and it's got over $250 worth of stuff in it. So it's like awesome savings, and it's just like a surprise. Like, I just don't know what's in there. And so this is the $100 one. Like I said, there is a 50 and 75 as well. So I just wanted to like make that clear so you don't think like this is the 50 or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It says, thank you so much for your support. I hope you love everything. Like, yay, I love getting cards like this. And she also gave me a coupon for 15% off my next order, which is really exciting. So that's great. That I order from other places, even small boutiques that don't take the time to do that. And I just think like they're really missing out on customer service that way. So this goes a long way with me, and I really appreciate that. Okay, so let's start here. Oh, these are super cute. Ooh, an accessory. I've never gotten an accessory from here. We'll save that. Okay, so first are a pair. Oh my God, these are like butter. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. Okay, so a pair of printed leggings that are hearts. They're like super stretchy. They feel like butter, which is an auto win for me. Like, I love anything comfy cozy. It's a one size, okay? So these will hopefully fit me. I'm not usually into like prints on my legs, but with Valentine's Day coming, I think actually this was a really sweet gesture, right? She's like, hey, like Valentine's coming, this might be really cute and fun to wear, and I actually kind of really love that. So I will wear these. So next we have this beautiful necklace. I love it. Is this gold? Yes, it's gold. You see, it's gold. It's like a little embellishment. I'm going to put this on. So that's really pretty. So I really like this. I will wear this. I love long necklaces, and I like kind of like loud long necklaces. So this is a really great piece. I'm super excited about this, and I have never gotten an accessory from her. So I'm really excited to get an accessory and try this out. It's really pretty. What's next? So far, so good. Oh, this is pretty. I love this. Okay, so this is a light. It's very light, very stretchy. Let me just tell you that stretchy is good. I had 3 kids. Stretchy is like my friend. So I like anything that's got a little stretch to it. So I like this. The gray is so like neutral, so I can wear it with anything. I'll throw this on right now. Oh yeah, this is cute. Oh, I love this. This is definitely me. This is something I will wear all the time. Nice long sleeves. I have like monkey arms, I say. Like, I have really long arms. And so sometimes I have trouble with stuff, like it's my size, but I'll go like this and it's like up here. It's so embarrassing. But this is nice and long, and it stretches a little bit. So I love it. And it's very comfy and just, oh. And let's, for kicks, just add this new necklace with it. Yeah. Okay, I'm good for the day. It's been fun. I can walk out the door right now. So here's the length on this one. I'm just like backing up so you can see. Okay, I love this. I'm really excited. This is like love. Loves it. I love the color already on this next piece. Ooh, look at this. This is so pretty. Like a really airy, fun, roomy tank. Now I'm gonna put it on over what I have on right now. Well, it fits. That's always positive. I love that like literally everything she gets me fits. Like, isn't that a win? So it looks like this. I'm gonna back up. You can see it looks like that. And then here's the back. And so if you have like a really cute bralette, you could probably wear that underneath, or you could wear a tank underneath just like I have right now. It just kind of depends on what your comfort level is or what you want to do. And so yeah, I really like this. I love this color. This is such a wonderful spring, fabulous, beautiful color. This will be great with like jean shorts in the summer. Let's move on to the next piece. I see more color. I just love color. I'm really excited about this. Okay, this is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. This is fun. So it's got the sleeves, but like the open and another cutout in the front. I mean, this looks, I look terrifying right now because I have that tank top. I'm not going to take my top off for you guys, sorry. But you can see it looks like this. And you would just wear strapless with it, right? So I'll back up. And it looks like that. This is really pretty. I'm not doing it justice right now, but it is really pretty. It's different. I probably wouldn't normally buy this, but I will wear it because I'm not like, oh, I can't do it. I just normally wouldn't go for something like this. So I am excited to step out of my comfort zone and try this piece. And it's very comfortable. And it is, I thought at first it was going to be too short, but it's not. Like it's got some length to it. So again, I think this would be great with like jeans or jean shorts, especially with spring and summer coming up. So another really good piece. Like I love polka dots. Polka dots, oh, I just love polka dots. I'm super excited about this. This is very, 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 very me. And so you can probably just tell I'm kind of like dying over this one already. It is so pretty. And I like tiny polka dots more than big polka dots. So I am so excited about this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks like this. Got some good bum coverage. I love this. I am so excited. I could wear this with leggings. I can wear this with jeans. I can wear this with jeans shorts. It's so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. This is a huge win. I'm just like super excited about this right now. Okay, I think I have a couple more. Can you believe how much is in this? And this is a boutique. This isn't like, you know, like tchotchke stuff. This is really good. So I'm just like floored by how much stuff she puts in here. Okay, so next up we've got prints, and we all know prints are super in right now. They are going to be the thing for summer. Look at this, super cute tank, flowy. Again, as a mama 3, like flowy is good. I don't need things hugging anything. My kids can hug me. That's about it. And my husband. But clothes don't need to hug me. And so I like things that are more flowy and there's room to like breathe, eat some nachos, drink some wine. Again, I would obviously not be wearing a tank underneath this. I would just be wearing a strapless. This is actually really, really cute. Looked a little bit different just like laying there. I was kind of like, oh, this is gonna be good. But I know prints are in, so I'm willing to like take the plunge for fashion. I really like this. I will definitely be wearing this. And I'll back up. This one's a little bit shorter. The back's kind of got like a braid. It's braided a little bit. Great with jean shorts or jeans, you know, capris, anything like that. So I'm really liking this one actually. I was kind of at first like, but no, I like this once I put it on. Okay, I think this is last but not least. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is beautiful. This will get a lot of wear from me. So I'm a businesswoman. My friends will tell you I am like the queen of blazers. You know, some people will be out for like a Christmas party or whatever in like a really beautiful dress. I'm the one who's there like blazer. I'm like the one who's always in a blazer. I have a closet full of blazers. And nothing gets me more than the blazer than a great little cami tank top to go underneath my blazer. So I'm really excited about this. Fits really well. Obviously I have a tank top underneath, which is weird, but just, you know, looks like this. I love the little kind of lacy detail to it. I love lace. And so this is great. Looks like that. back's just a normal back. This will be fantastic with a blazer. I'm really excited about this one. This will definitely get its use. This would also be good with like a cardigan or something like that as well. Or if you're going out, you know, if it's, you know, the summer or something and you know it's going to get colder at night, like throw a leather jacket on with something like this. That's another really great option for you as well, just to kind of keep it. I think the leather jacket would be fun because you got like kind of like badass, but at the same time like sexy with the lace, right? So I think that would be a good combo too that I might be doing. I mean, seriously, for $100, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, including a pair of pants, a necklace, a cardigan, and then the rest were all beautiful tops. And I am so happy with every piece. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Like, how crazy amazing is that? I just wanted to go through those with you to show you what you can get in your own grab box, but hop over to vvboutique.com. She's got so many different things for you: accessories, swimwear, cover-ups, shoes, and pants and leggings and jeans, and I mean anything that you could possibly want is over there. Some really great dresses as well. And use the code sunshine15 and you'll get 15% off your first purchase. And again, she ships to Canada, she ships in the US. Anything over $75 in the US, she will ship for free. Don't we all love free shipping? And just go on and support another small business and check out her Facebook page, give it a like, join the VIP group, and have a blast shopping. I recommend the grab bag. Even if it's not the 100, do the 50 or 75 or whatever, you'll get 15% off. They are so fun. It's like, seriously, it's like Christmas for me now. I'm going to just like plan my outfit for the day. All right, everybody, I hope you have a really great day, and I will see you all soon.